Is Bitcoin about to pump or dump? While some people believe it's next stop moon for Bitcoin, others are writing about a mysterious move that could very well end the entire bull run and send crypto prices crashing. I'll let you guys figure out which side of that equation I fall on. If you watch the channel, you probably know. But I'm going to break down what's going on with BTC as we check out some crypto news from around the space. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto, the hardest working channel in all of cryptocurrency. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and join both my Telegram groups to learn more about crypto or connect with me and the Bit Squad. All right, guys, we have a crazy show for you today as we're going to look at one of the biggest Bitcoin transfers in history and what it means for the Bitcoin price. It could be some scary stuff. I'm going to tell you why I think it fits the very definition of FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We're also going to be taking a look at some bullish news for regulation, an interesting Bitcoin-related advertising campaign, and a quick look at an interesting token who has recently launched a crypto card. Let's get started, though, by looking at the Bitcoin price at the time of this recording. As we look at the Bitcoin price right now, Saturday morning, August the 8th, it is coming in at $11,772, up only 0.14% in the last 24 hours. But you can see it did have a dip, checking out the chart on the right. You can also see how every coin in the top 10 is looking bullish at the moment on the charts. Many cryptos right now are battling against resistance. So by the time you watch this video, you will know whether it was able to smash or pass resistance. For those who are newer to crypto, resistance basically means a dollar amount an asset is having a hard time going above. For Bitcoin, the larger resistance right now is about 12K. For my bulls and hippos out there, let's check out the bullish case for Bitcoin before jumping into a story that has some people terrified. Right now, the trend for BTC is still bullish. There's no doubt about that. The Bitcoin price dropped down to $11.4 thousand for rebounding and once again inching back toward the key 12K level. Yesterday, Bitcoin was able to reach a high of $11,900 before falling back to $11,300. Now we are well above that. This fall caused Ethereum and most altcoins to have a dip. But I don't know if you guys noticed, these dips are getting more volatile by the day, which is a great thing. We want the volatility in crypto. Don't get caught up looking at the red numbers. That's what leads people to speculate, which leads prices to charge upwards. Along with the volatility, we are seeing these dips last less time. They're going down and bouncing hard and fast. This is counter to the bear market when dips lasted basically forever and it was the spikes that were only brief. I mean, how many of you guys remember Bitcoin flash pumping to $10,000 in October around Halloween before falling quickly back to 7K levels? A lot of people believe yesterday's dip, though, was due to the U.S. jobs report and the lack of agreement on a new stimulus package. The job report was not good. And I'll say this, you guys do not want to miss tomorrow's video on the state of the U.S. economy. It's going to be a pretty depressing video if you're American and you don't own Bitcoin. That doesn't apply to you guys, right? If the jobs report had anything, though, to do with this dip, then once again, this shows Bitcoin's strength and resilience. If you weren't around for the 2016 and 2017 bull run, specifically the last half of 2017, then you would remember the role that FUD played. Often, when dips would occur, it would be simply due to fears. I mean, when you think about it, crypto's gambling, and so is the stock market. You're gambling on whether you think the price is going to go up or down based on technical and fundamental factors. Technical is strictly charts, while fundamental revolves around mostly news if we're honest about it, but it basically means anything off the charts. So we got a piece of news yesterday that we have to look at that is causing a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But I'm not concerned, and I'm going to tell you why. So the story we got yesterday involved a massive Bitcoin move from a huge BTC wallet. In fact, it's the second biggest Bitcoin wallet in all of crypto. A Bitcoin whale moved almost 93,000 BTC into two wallets. So why is this a big deal? Well, most of the time, when we get news of huge BTC transfers, it revolves around whales moving their Bitcoin to exchanges to dump the price. For many of these Bitcoin whales, we don't actually know who they are, but in this case, we do. The second biggest wallet in all of Bitcoin is owned by Xapo. This is a custody giant that, interestingly enough, had all of its institutional business, bought by Coinbase in August of 2019. I think that is very key to this situation. They are now part of Coinbase custody. After that move, Coinbase custody actually became the top Bitcoin custodian in the entire world. If you didn't know what custody solutions are, they're basically regulated institutional wallet providers where the crypto is guaranteed to be kept safe. A move this big, in this case, likely signals the Bitcoin was moved for business or security purposes, rather than a giant dump afoot. You can think of this most likely as reshuffling. This is where a true understanding of Bitcoin fundamental analysis comes in. Yes, most of the time when we see big transfers, the price dumps, and there is definitely a chance that it still could. But since we know the source of the transaction and the recent reorganization of their business by Coinbase custody, it stands to reason that we will not see something like that in the case of Xapo's wallet. Before we get to our last two bullish stories though, I do want to give you guys a quick rundown of Elidium. Thank you, of course, to Elidium for supporting the channel and sponsoring this segment. Elidium is creating a digital economy based on blockchain powered by their native cryptocurrency, EUM. EUM is the #1 coin in the luxury industry and an ERC20 token. Currently, it's in the top 350 on CoinMarketCap. Elidium is proud to offer crypto's simplest staking program and the brand new Elidium card that allows you to spend crypto all across the United States and Europe. The card seeks to become the #1 luxury crypto card. With it, you can spend EUM and 11 other cryptos. All Masternode holders will get a diamond card you can't purchase with money. This card will contain a real diamond and will give you access to their private wealth management network and allow you to get special discounts and early access to luxury real estate developments. How fancy. There's only 18 of these puppies left, so make sure that you get yours quick if you are interested. You can find EUM the token on Bitmart, Stex, or FatBTC. Now, in other crypto stories, Grayscale, the Bitcoin and Ethereum trust provider by Barry Silbert, has launched a national advertising campaign that will be seen on mainstream news channels everywhere. And hey, it's very exciting when crypto gets in the spotlight. Grayscale allows traditional investors to hold the equivalency of shares in Bitcoin or Ethereum. You may be thinking, but wait, is this even real Bitcoin? Not really, you're right. But they are backed by real Bitcoin, and that's super important. It separates it from what is known as paper Bitcoins. Lastly, I wanted to cover this story revolving around the woman affectionately known in the space as Crypto Mom. Securities and Exchange Commissioner Hester Peirce has been voted in as SEC Commissioner until 2025. If you're unaware of Ms. Peirce, she is the most vocal voice in the SEC that's bullish on crypto and Bitcoin. Just last year, Peirce presented a proposal to give developers 3 years to build decentralized networks without fear or SEC action. She is a true visionary when it comes to seeing the way crypto and regulation need to work together. This is an emerging technology that will not be going away in our lifetimes, and it's important that the right groundwork is laid. Congratulations to Crypto Mom for securing the bag and getting that second term. We need you. But now it's your turn. Do you believe Bitcoin is heading toward a crash, or will we just keep pumping up? I've definitely got a good feeling about the next 7 days. Do you? Let me know down below in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.